Free tokens just for using your wallet? Yeah, it's real. Let me tell you about the airdrop from Genius, a terminal already backed by Yeezy Labs, formerly Binance's fund. Genius is a multi-chain trading terminal, basically one interface where you trade across Ethereum, Base, BNB, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and 7 more networks through 150 plus decks simultaneously. Sub-second execution, limit orders, stop losses, and the main feature ghost orders, fully private transactions. The Genius token has pumped 850% in the last few days. Perpetuals are already live on Aster Dex. The airdrop pool is 50 million tokens, and over 67% has already been claimed. Competition prize pool $250,000. Every trade earns you Genius points, which convert into tokens. To check, go to the Genius website link in the description and hit check eligibility. Pick your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Wallet Connect, whichever you trade on. Wait a few seconds while it verifies, and there it is, your allocation. In my case, 2,736 Genius tokens, that's roughly $1,549. And here's why I'm eligible: base allocation, early supporter bonus, and an activity multiplier. Hit claim tokens, wait for confirmation, and that's it. Tokens arrive in your wallet within 24 hours. Usually it's faster than that. Oh, and I forgot to mention the project has been audited by Halburn and Cantina. 9 days left. The pool is draining. Link in the description. Go check your wallet before the drop ends. Subscribe, smash that like button if this was helpful. See you